Hey guys, back with another video. Want to see how I get from this to this? Just stay tuned to find out. Right, so I started with small to medium cane rows going straight back, and I stopped them at the crown, so halfway up my head. Don't laugh at my head, guys. Okay, so here's how it looks from the back. I'll explain what I did. So the first 3 cane rows at the side I combined into 1 cane row, and at the end of that cane row I attached that to the next cane row that I did, and so forth. At the crown of my head, the 2 cane rows I crisscrossed, so it went in opposite directions. This whole process in total took about an hour. To grab all my baby hairs before plaiting, I added Eco Styler gel, and then I put on a headscarf. 10 minutes and it was perfect. Okay, let's start. You need your crochet needle, your hair, details are below the video, don't mind me, and your Ayurvedic hair oil. My recipe is up above. Use it, use it. So add it to the scalp and massage it in just to make sure your scalp's nice and moisturized. Moving on. Attaching the hair is so simple. All you do is make sure the hook is closed, and then you push it under the braid. Make sure it's closed, or if it's open when you're pushing it through, it will catch hair and that will just snag. Now you find the loop in the hair you're about to attach. Put the hook underneath the loop so that it's secure. Close the hook and then pull it through. Now keep your finger in the loop so that you can pull the hair, the end of the hair, back through the loop and pull on it, and it's secure. And that is literally it. This is after installing just 1 pack. So annoying. I realised midway that I missed a piece of hair in my cane row, so all I did was grab a hairpin and slide it in, and it was fine. I'll show you guys again how I install the crochet. So making sure the hook is closed, I slide it under the braid. You can leave it there, it's fine. And then I unlooped the crochet to make sure that there was a hole. Then I opened the crochet needle, the hook, put the loop on the hook to make sure it was secure, closed the hook, and then I pulled it through. Making sure that I got the hole back in the hair, I looped the end of the hair back through the loop, pulled on it so it's secure, and voila! Now for some colour. Would you believe it was actually my 5-year-old son who told me to add some colour instead of my normal colour 1 jet black? I was deciding whether to do a block at the front or space it out, and I decided to space it out. Almost done now, just installing the crochets at the top and making them secure. Whew, that is the most sensitive part of my head. And we're finished! From start to finish, including cane rows, this took me about 3 hours. I cannot believe how easy this was. This is also my first time doing this, so relieved. Bearing in mind I had a meeting the next day. Nah, not forgetting that. Bearing in mind I had a meeting the next day, so it was like do or die. But it came out really nicely. Also, I'm going to add my Ayurvedic hair oil on my scalp every 3 to 4 days. I love it. See you guys soon.